For making this mini straw pump, you need a fat straw, a bicycle spoke, thread, 2 beads and a cycle ball bearing. Tie string on the threaded end of the bicycle spoke. Tie a knot in the string to make it into a piston and then nip it off. At a distance of about 1/3 from the top, make a small hole for the delivery pot. Now fix bead tightly at the bottom end of the straw. You can see a hole in the bead. Then take a fat ball bearing and put it inside the straw. Then put the piston and the connecting rod and fix a bead also on the top. Now your pump is almost ready. Place it in a glass of water, hold it in one hand and move the spoke up and down, and soon water will gush out. It's a simple and a delightful pump to make.